Can you do 11?
11. Given condition is a power x equals to b power y equals to c power z equals to b power t. So you take this one as k. So a power x equals to k in place of x equals to what is x equals to or a equals to k power 1 by x. Similarly, if you take b equals to k power 1 by y, c equals to k power 1 by z, d equals to k power 1 by d. Now what is given? One more condition is given: A, B, C, D are in GP. If A, B, C, D are in GP, ratios are same. B by A equals to C by B equals to D by C. B by A, k power 1 by y by k power 1 by x. K power 1 by z by k power 1 by y. K power 1 by t by k power 1 by. So a power m by a power m is a power m minus 1. 1 by y minus 1 by x. 1 by z minus 1 by y. 1 by t minus 1 by z. Bases are equal means powers are also equal. 1 by y minus 1 by x equals to 1 by z minus 1 by y equals to 1 by t minus 1 by z. So in place, differences are equal means a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a4. Differences are equal means 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, 1 by t are in arithmetic progression. Because here differences are equal. 1 by y minus 1 by x, 1 by z minus 1 by y, 1 by t minus 1 by z. So reciprocals are in AP. What about their reciprocals? X, y, z, and t.
HP.
HP. You understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Next, 10th one already we did the same problem. One problem. A into b minus c into x square plus b into c minus a into x plus c into a minus b equal to 0. Here clearly the sum of quotients is 0. Sum of quotients. What is sum of quotient? A into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. If you multiply and if you simplify, you will get 0. Sum of quotient 0 means so x equal to 1 is the root. Since roots are equal, they are given roots are equal. What are the roots? 1 comma 1 are the roots. I am taking product of the roots. Product of the roots is c by a. What is c by a? This is c, this is a. So c into a minus b by a into b minus c equals to product of the roots is 1 into 1, that is 1. So AC minus BC equals to AB minus AC, taking cross multiplication. AC plus AC equals to 2AC, AB plus BC. Both sides you divide with ABC. So 2 by B equals to 1 by A plus 1 by C. 2 by B equals to 1 by A plus 1 by C means 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. 2B equals to A plus C. So 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP means A, B, C are in HP. So A, B, C are in HP is the correct answer. You understand?
Yes. How do you get one and one of the roots? Like yeah, 1 and 1.
The sum of the quotients is 0, then 1 is the root. Root x equal to 1, what is that? A into b minus b plus b into c minus 1 plus c into 1 minus b By simplification, you will get 0. So 1 is the root, okay?
Yeah.
No, they are given, see, in the problem they are given roots are equal.
So how did you get both the roots as 1?
What is the problem? You see once. What they have given about roots?
Oh, okay, okay. I didn't see that.
Roots are equal, they have given already. So one more root also, one more root. So I am taking product of the roots. Product of the roots is 1 into 1, that also 1. So we are getting 2 by b equals to 1 by a plus 1 by c. We have one condition. 2b equals to a plus c means a, b, c are in AP. Here a means 1 by a, 1 by c, 1 by b. So 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in AP. So a, b, c are in HP. Okay? Understood? Next to 12th one. Log 100 base a. 2 log 10 base b. 2 log 5 base c plus log 4 base c. You simplify this one. 2 you take into the logarithm. So log 10 square also 100 base b. Log 2 log 5 means 5 square c plus log 4 base c. Log a plus log b is log a b. 25 into 4, that is also 100 into c. So what is given condition? Log 100 base a, log 100 base b, log 100 base c are in HP. What is the reciprocal? Log a base 100, log b base 100, log c base 100 are in AP. You know the property? Log a base b you can write 1 by log b base c. If you take the reciprocal, you can change the log x by 2x. You know the property?
Yes, sir.
100 base a, but I am writing log a base 100. So this is reciprocal of this one first. Now differences are same. Log b base 100 minus log a base 100 equals to log c base 100 minus log b base 100. What is log a minus log b? Log a by b. So log b by a base 100 equals to log c by b base 100. Both are both logarithm with the same base, so you can remove logarithm. So what you get? B by a equals to c by b. Ratios are same means
GP.
ABC are in GB. Actually, you can clearly here only. If logarithms are in AP, terms are in GP. That is what that property we have. If A1, A2, and so on AN are in AP, if A1, A2, and so on AN are in GP, their logarithm series log A1, log A2, and so on log AN. This is in AP. And a common difference also log R. Okay. If and only if condition. If sequence is in GP, logarithmic sequence is in AP with common difference log R. R is common ratio of the given sequence. Okay.
So could you do 14?
A, B, C are in AP. A square, B square, C square are in HP. You can easily say that is option, through option. First option, if you take A, B, C are equal, equal terms are always in AP and HP. So will satisfy. That is the answer you can directly get. Otherwise, you have to solve 2b equals to a plus c. 2b equals to a plus c. AP condition. HB condition 2 by b square equals to 1 by a square plus 1 by c square. or b square equals to 2a square c square by a square plus c square. B square into a square plus c square. B square plus a square plus c square. B square into a square plus c square equals to 2a square c square. B square into a square plus c square, you can write a plus c whole square minus 2ac equals to 2a square c square. B square into a plus c is 2b whole square. 4b square minus 2ac equals to 2a square c square. 4b power 4 minus 2ac into b square minus 2a square c square equals to 0. 4 into 2, 8. So 4b power 4, 8 you can write minus 4ac b square plus 2ac b square minus 2a square c square equals to 0. 4b square common, b square minus ac plus 2ac common, b square minus ac equal to 0. 4b square plus 2ac into b square minus ac equal to 0. But this is not equal to 0 because all are positive numbers, real numbers. So b square equal to minus 2ac is not possible. B square equal to ac. B square equal to ac means squaring on both sides. A plus b whole square equals to 4b square. 4b square equals to ac. So a plus c whole square minus 4ac equal to 0. So this is a minus c whole square. So a equal to c. If you put a equal to c, b equals to a equals to c. Like this you have to solve. Otherwise, if you go through the options, if terms are in a equal, if a equal to b equal to c, those are in AP. A square, b square, c square, all are equal. Those are in HP. So through options it is easily verified. Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
why do we ignore 4b square plus 2ac?
B square equal minus 2 we are not taking.
Why?
B square equal to minus. Minus we are getting. They have not given any real
Oh,
number.
okay, yeah.
Next. 15th one. ABC are in AP. A, B, C are in AP. P, Q, R are in HP. A, B, B, Q, C, R in GB. Then you have to find P by R plus R by P in terms of you have to find, okay. So B equals to A plus C. HP means Q equals to QPR by P plus R. Harmonic mean. Next GP means B square Q square equals to AP into CR. B square equal to AC condition. If ABC are in GP, B square equal to AC. So I am replacing B value and Q value in left side. B square A plus C whole square by 2 square 4. Q square 4 P square R square by P plus R whole square. AC into PR. 4 will cancel, 1 PR will cancel. So A plus C whole square by AC equals to cross multiplication P plus R whole square by 1 PR. A plus C whole square is A square plus C square plus 2AC by AC equals to P square plus R square plus 2PR by PR. So by splitting a square by ac is one a will cancel, so a by c. C square by ac is c by a. 2ac by ac is 2. Similarly, this one p square by pr, p by r by p plus 2. 2 will cancel. So what we get? A by c plus c by a equals to p by r plus r by p. So p by r plus r by p equals to a by c plus c by a. First option. Okay.
So can you do 16?
If A, B, C are in HP, A, B, C are in HP. So 2 by B equals to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Okay, because A, B, C are in HP means 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So 2 by B equals to 1 by A plus 1 by C. From this I am taking 1 by C equals to 2 by B minus 1 by A. Now what is the given equation? X by A plus y by B plus 1 by C equals to 0. X by A plus y by B plus 1 by C is 2 by B minus 1 by A. So 1 by A common, X minus 1. 1 by B common, Y plus 2. This is a system of straight lines. One line is X minus 1 equal to 0. Second line is Y plus 2 equal to 0. So point of intersection is X equal to 1, Y equals to minus 2. So it always passing through Y 1 comma minus 2. Okay. Actually, this one we will get in straight lines. A into L1 plus B into L2 equal to 0. It gives a system of lines all passing through a fixed point. Okay. That fixed point is nothing but point of intersection of L1 and L2. This concept we will get in straight lines. So here also this is one constant into L1, one constant into L2. So this is a system of concurrent lines. So point of intersection is nothing but you have to solve these straight lines, L1 and L2. What is the point of intersection? 1 comma minus 2. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Next, logarithmic series. Page number 16. Any doubts? Think all are simple problems. First one, 1 by x.
So can you do 6?
Which one? First one, Smruti.
No, so can you do 6?
Could you please do question number? Which question one? 1 minute.
So logarithm, the logarithmic series only.
Logarithmic series only. Okay, first one. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 whole square by 2 plus 1 by 5 whole cube by 3 plus and so on. This is nothing but minus log 1 minus x. X value 1 by 5. Minus log 4 by 5. Minus log a by b. Log, the options are not in this form.
So the answer was given as log base value is 6 by 5.
6 by 5.
Yeah, that was given in the answer. That's why I wasn't sure. I didn't get that.
Log 4
I
by
got
5.
this
Minus
one
if you
only.
take inside the logarithm, you will get log 5 by 4 base. 5 by 4 is actually correct answer.
So how did you get the last step?
Minus if you take into the logarithm, what is it? Log 4 by 5 whole power minus 1.
Okay, yes, sir.
So whole power
Yes, sir,
minus 5 by 4 answer.
yeah, because it's not there in the options.
Maybe
That's why I
options wrong.
asked.
These are given in terms of u. Maybe printing mistake.
Yes, sir.
Where did you
Thank
get
you,
2
sir.
from?
What?
That's
Where did you
not
get
2,
2?
that's equal to. It's not 2.
Oh.
This one is not 2 equals. Okay, answer log 5 by 4 base c.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next. Third question, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 5 cube plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 whole power 5 plus 1 by 5 whole power 7 by 7 plus and so on. Odd powers. You see the formula x plus x cube by 3 plus 1, x power 5 by 5 plus and so on. What is the expansion for law? X plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5.
Log 1 plus x by 1 minus x.
2 times, huh? Actually, if you take 2 times, what do you have? Log 1 plus x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus and so on. Log 1 minus x is minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus and so on. By subtracting log a minus log b is log a by b, so log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So by subtracting 2 times, you will get x plus x by x 2 times. This will cancel. So again, we will get x cube by 3 plus and so on. So this is equals to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. But if you have 2 times, but we didn't have 2 times, so 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x value, 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 5. So 1 by 2 into log of 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means log 3 by 2 base u1. Okay? This 2 you have to take the right side, 1 by 2. And x value is 1 by 5. Okay?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I have a doubt in the second one. Which logarithmic formula would you use for that?
Second one.
Yeah.
1 plus 1 by 2 whole square by 3 plus 1 by 2 whole power 4 by 5 okay. Plus 1 by 2 whole power 6 by 7 plus and so on. Same formula, but here if you observe the power 4 and here power, this is 5. Here power 6, 1 by 7. So means 1
Yes, sir.
power you have to multiply here. Multiply with 1 by 2 and divide with 2. Okay, 2 into, I am multiplying with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube by 3. 1 by 2 whole power 5 by 5. 1 by 2 whole power 7 by 7 plus and so on. Okay now?
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Same formula. Log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. X value is 1 by 2. Log 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Log 3 base c. Fourth one already in a 1 by 1 into 3 method. 2 into 5. Into 5. 2 into 7. 4 into 9. 3 minus 1, 2, 4. 1 minus 2, 5. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3. Differences are not same.
So here we can't use the subtraction. Right.
Because the difference is not same for each term.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Multiply with 2 and divide with 2 each term. 1 by 2, 2 into denominator I am multiplying. First term you multiply with 2. 2 into 3. 4 into 5. 6 into 7. 8 into 9. Okay. First term you multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Okay. Now the difference is also. So what you have 2 into 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 4 into 5 plus 1 by 6 into 7 plus and so on. Write the difference. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 7 plus and so on. What is log 2 value? Log 2 value. 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus and so on. But we have only 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus and so on. So these terms you take right left side and this term they take right side. So 1 minus log 2 base c. So this value is nothing but 1 minus log 2 base c. So 2 minus function 2 minus 2 log 2. Where we have?
Option 3. No, we don't have to.
2 we have outside. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. So 1 minus log 2. 2 into 1 minus log 2 base c. What the actual answer? So 2 minus 2 log 2 base c answer. Okay.
So the options are wrong.
What is the answer, Rahul?
Option 3. Think. Yeah, option 3.
So we write log 2 base c or log 4 base c. 2 you can take inside the number. Next. Then third option, we write about 2 more.
So could you do 7?
7th one. B equals to sigma k equals to 1 to infinity k power k by k. So it is equal to, by putting k equals to 1, a plus a square by 2 plus a cube by 3 plus and so on. What is this expansion? Minus log 1 minus x. X is a. X plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 and so on. Base c. So minus b equals to log of 1 minus a base e. E power minus b equals to 1 minus a. Logarithmic form to exponential form. So in place a equals to 1 minus e power minus b. The last class I have given e power x expansion. 1 minus x by 1 factorial. X means here b. B square by 2 factorial minus b cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. 1 minus 1 will cancel, minus 1 minus b plus b square by 2 factorial plus b cube by 3 factorial and so on, minus. So this is nothing but if you write an expansion, what do you get? Sigma k equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power of k or k minus 1, k minus 1, because second term is the negative, so minus 1 or plus 1 also you can write b power k by k factorial. Second option, minus 1 whole power k minus 1 into b power k by k factorial. Now what?
Can you explain from, I mean, after a equals to 1 minus a to the power, I mean 1 minus e to the power
This is
of
the
minus b.
expansion, by expansion, this is the form of minus log 1 minus x, so x is a, okay? Minus I am taking to left side, that is minus b equals to log 1 minus a. This is a logarithmic form. What is the definition of logarithmic form to exponential form? A power x equal to n. So e power minus b equals to n. N is 1 minus a. Take a to this side or minus e power minus b this side. And the e power minus x expansion, last class I given 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 2 factorial plus and so on. So in case of x we have b. 1 will cancel, minus 1 minus plus. And this expansion you have to write to minus 1 whole power k minus 1. Because second term, for even terms we are getting odd minus. So you have to write k minus 1 or k plus 1. b square, b cube and so on, b power k. 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial and so on, k factorial. So second option is the correct answer. Okay, understand? Any doubt?
Thank you, sir.
This is the actual expansion we are writing in sigma notation. If you write only k, here you will get minus plus, so you will get wrong. So that's why you have to take minus 1. K power minus 1 or k plus 1 also you can write. According to the options, you have to adjust that. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Next.